Hello guys, welcome back. In today's crypto technical analysis, today as usual we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC and Ethereum. However, before we start, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. So let's start from a weekly time frame. 22nd of May close that we had a bullish engulfing candle, and as I said, 25,200 was a support level based on a weekly time frame, and then the resistance levels were important resistance. The first one was 29,200 all the way up to $31,500 were extremely important resistance levels based on a weekly time frame. As I always say, it depends on the time frame, and these type of bullish engulfing candles below the main resistance, higher time frame resistance, they have a less effect. And as you can see, we had the last night close on the weekly time frame, we closed with a red candle. The levels are clear without breaking 29,200 and then $31,500. It's going to be early for us to talk about 32 all the way up to $36,000. However, main and important level based on a weekly time frame, 25,200 is a keep an eye on level. So in the bear market, 60,000, 52, as well as the 48,000. Average exit was $50,000, and we saw massive from $60,000, 75%. Average from $50,000, we saw massive 70% dump in the market. And as I said in the beginning of this year, the first video, accumulation zone highly likely if we're going to break and stay above 18,500. On the daily time frame, $19,200 and $19,500 was a confirmation based on a daily time frame, and we saw massive pump for the spot back holders. So from there, as we can see, we saw massive pump in the market, another 75%, with a current price action over 50% pump in the market. Moving on to a daily time frame. Based on a daily time frame, as soon as we got rejection right from here, daily time frame went back under the consolidation, and as I said, that's a daily time frame, multiple time frame, plus the wrinkle resistance. Now you can see perfectly rejected right from the upper line of this resistance. So these levels are important support and resistance levels. So below, as I keep saying, that it is highly likely that we're going to sweep these lows and the price action will come, and we end up 25,200 in the first place, all the way up to, as I said in the last videos, 24,300. $24,000 are going to be the next target levels. So we are at a no man's land at this stage. Based on a daily time frame, you have to be cautious about these levels. So above this level, bullish scenario. However, breaking this level, that's going to be 26,300 level, highly likely that we're going to sweep, as I said, these lows, and we might see all the way up to $24,000 sweeping these lows as well. However, based on the daily time frame, we are under the bulls control, but bulls are consolidating between this support and resistance level. As soon as we broke, as I said, $19,200 and $500 daily time frame flashed a bullish setup, and we saw massive pump in the market. Average, if you're gonna take it average, we saw massive pump all the way. The first target level was $30,000 all the way up to 36. We reached to the target number one, and we saw massive pumps, nearly 60% pump. However, with the current price action, over 35% pump in the market. Moving on, Ethereum. ETH under the daily time frame, similar situation as a BTC, the bullish consolidation. However, 4-hour time frame looks much more better than the BTC. The similar situation, as you can see, at the no man's land, that's the consolidation level, losing and closing below this support that becomes as a resistance. In the first place, as I said, that's going to be a target. The next target level, 1750, 1700, all the way up to $1650 are going to be on the table. So these are the levels for the Ethereum that you have to pay attention. However, as I said, that was an initial entry with a fake out price action. We saw another retest of this level and we reached to the target number one. But as you can see, it's quite choppy. So the levels above here, bullish, below close here, based on a 4-hour time frame, as well as the daily, it's going to be a bearish setup. Before we move on to BTC analysis, if you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market, and it only takes you 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Let's move on to scalping setup that I shared on the 2nd of June. That was a liquidity grab above 0.618, get back into the level, retested the resistance, as you can see, perfectly retested it, and then to the target level. It spent quite a lot of time, and I said it's worth to paying attention to this setup as well. So the red one, we can cancel it. However, the green setup was with a lower momentum. As you can see, this type of setups come with a momentum, and you have to follow but the momentum. the candle broke and then back at below 0.618, your stop loss is going to be above, slightly above the SFP candle and all the way to this level that we reached. That's nearly 4-hour trade. However, with the setup that is going to be on this level to the exact dollar that I was saying, again, sweeping this high, plus highly likely that we're going to sweep this low as well. And as you can see, we're approaching to this low. On its own, this setup provided nearly 6-hour trade. So far, as you can see, it's already 5-hour trade, and if we're going to reach to this target level, which is highly likely, and the target level is going to be, as I said, that's the target that we're going to sweep this low, and that will provide nearly 6-hour trade. And for this type of scalping setups, you can message me for one-on-one masterclass via Telegram at Magnate8. And this is another tool that I'm using. You can take it on the 4-hour time frame. 23rd of April, point A. Point B is going to be 12th of May, all the way up to this recent local high. That's going to be $28,460. So as you can see how these levels respected, we literally bounced between this blue and then green line, and we saw a bit of pump. At the moment, we're just getting back into this blue line as soon as we broke this green line. So this is a pitchfork that you can confluence with a, as you can see, a Renko plus multiple time frame resistance, and we had this Fibonacci level as well, and exactly right from 0.67, the Fib level, we're getting rejection, and we saw another decent dump in the market that gave another 7% dump in the market. So as I said, the bullish scenario is going to be above this level. It's going to be 28,300 and 500, and then 30,000, followed by 31,000, $32,000 going to be on the table. However, losing this level, that's going to be $26,100 and $26,000. That's going to give us all the way up to, in the first place, $25,200, and all the way up to $24,200 and $24,000 are going to be the next target levels. You have to keep an eye on to this resistance, and then $26,000 and $26,100 support levels are important. And there is another confluence that we've got higher time frame confluence, as you can see, 0.67, as well as the 0.618, the golden pockets. So losing this level, as I said, highly likely that will bring us all the way up to $25,100 and $200. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.